Hey y'all, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 6 on how to train for Deka if your gym does not have the equipment for it. So here today we're talking about the farmer carry. Let's go. In today's video, we'll be talking about several ways that you can build strength for your farmer carry to rock your Deka race even if your gym doesn't have the equipment for it. So again, we're only talking strength in this episode. If you're looking for strategy on the farmer carry, I have a whole nother video just on that, so check out that above. But let's go ahead and dive right in to strength. Now here in this episode, I don't know why your gym would not have dumbbells or at least kettlebells that you could practice on, but maybe they don't have the correct weight, or maybe it's a small niche type of gym that doesn't have heavier weights options. In that case, this is for you. So my first alternative option, and one of my favorite options honestly, is using a trap bar to load up and find that Deka weight and then practice your farmer carry with the trap bar. This one is a super simple option. The only difference is that you don't have the variability that dumbbells or kettlebells would present because they do kind of move around while you're walking with them. And the trap bar would be a lot more still and steady because it's all one unit. But that's also a great way to train the farmer carry because you're able to load it up a little bit more and make it a little heavier for yourself just to train above the weight for Deka if you wanted to. Or maybe, I don't know a gym that would have the circumstance, but maybe you only have one dumbbell or one kettlebell of this particular weight. You could always just practice a suitcase carry. This is another great way to still train into that grip strength and into that dumbbell weight, but you're having to offset that load a little bit with your core. So again, it's not a one-for-one perfect situation, but it's also a great way to train if you don't have two weights of the same type. And another way to improve your grip strength is one of my absolute favorites because you can do this one at home if you have a pull-up bar, or you can take this to the gym if you wanted to. It's a dead arm hang on a pull-up bar. So you'd find the hands outside the shoulders, hold on tight, and then hold your body weight on the bar as long as you can, keeping the shoulder blades back and down in that packed position and a strong core brace throughout. And you might only start with 10 or so seconds, that's okay. You can always build up to 30, maybe even a minute, however long that is for you, but that grip strength will translate really well into the farmer carry here. And my last suggestion to hone your grip strength is to find heavy deadlifts. So challenging that grip strength, trying not to use straps when you're deadlifting, especially if your focus is grip strength, trying to do this independent with your hands, but finding a weight that's challenging for that grip. So you can find a switch grip if you need to, but finding an overhand grip in that deadlift is also going to challenge that grip strength a little bit more. And if you wanted an extra bonus, a little icing on the cake there, you can always stop at the end of your set in your heavy deadlifts and hold at the top in a lockout position. That way you get a little extra at the very end of your set, and you hold that for 5-6 seconds, however long you can. And those are just a few of my favorite ways to train grip strength here. If you have any other ideas that can help you with your farmer carry, go ahead and drop those in the comments below, and check out in the description below the sign up for my email list so you can stay up to date with all the fun stuff that I'm doing over here with all of my different content. But other than that, good luck at your next Deka event, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay healthy, bye.